What is up guys, I'm back with another video and today I will be showing you how to change your, well no actually how to make a playlist. I don't know, I said how to change. So yeah, today I will be showing you how to make a playlist. Before we get right into it, please subscribe and like, because if you like this video, I know you'll like my how-to videos and to do more of these how-to videos. So this video is going to be super duper quick because it's so easy to make a description. For the people who don't know how to make it, well, it's very easy, so let me just show you. So, yeah, let's hop right into it. So the first thing you want to do is go to YouTube, and then you see this, your channel, and you see your channel. Click that, and you see you basically have these videos. They're like so messy and stuff, and you want to put them in your playlists, but you don't know how to do that. So you see, so basically, drag your mouse over onto your video, whichever one you want, and then you see these three dots, 1, 2, 3. You want to click that three dots, and you save add to queue, save to watch later, and save to playlist. You want to save to playlist. Then you're going to see you probably have no playlists. I do, but whatever. So you see this plus sign, it says create new playlist. Press on that. Enter your playlist's name, the name you want. Gosh, basically enter the name you want for your playlist. I'll enter my first person shooter. And you can do public, unlisted, private. I would do public because it's a playlist. And then you'll see it can basically be added to, now you basically created your playlist. And if you want to add more videos, do the same thing. Press the three dots, save to playlist, create new, enter the name public, and yeah. And if you want to add one to the playlist, you see first person shooter games or whichever one you want to add it. Press on the box, and then when it has that on the blue marker, then it added to the playlist. So yeah, guys, that's basically how you make a playlist. I hope you enjoyed me talking and telling you about how to make a playlist. Please subscribe and like, because it helps me out a lot if you subscribe and like the video, so then I know that you want me to do more of these how-to videos. And yeah, hope you have a safe and great day, and peace. See you in the next video.